So hello everyone. So to in this live I'm going to explain how to reduce the matrix to the normal form. This is the 4 by 4 matrix. If someone joins, we'll start a session. So the question I have taken is 1 2 3 2 2 1 minus 2 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 3 4 2 1 4 5 3. So we have to reduce this matrix to the normal form, and then we have to find the rank of matrix. So as I said you earlier in the previous videos, to find the normal form we have to convert this into upper triangle into zeros, and the principal diagonal element should be anything, the remaining all should be zeros. So here principal diagonal elements are 1 1 4 3, except 1 1 4 3, every term should be 0. So we'll start our sum. So now first we are going to convert upper triangle as zeros. So what we are going to do, we are going to perform row operations for R2, R3 and R4 using R1. So R2, R3 and R4. So we are going to perform the row operations. So if someone joins, we'll start a session. So what I'm going to do is, we are, as this is a normal form, so we have to perform both row and column operations. So first we have to perform row operation followed by column operations. So when we clearly observe, R2 is 2 and R1 is 1. So if we multiply 1 with 2, we'll be getting 2R1. So R2 is R2 minus 2R1. So next what we are going to do is, it is simple. Minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. So R3 tends to R3 plus R1. And here it is 1 minus 1 will be 0, right? So R4 will be R4 minus R1. So this is the row operation. What we are going to do now, we are going to write the first row as it is, because we have performed row operations for second, third and fourth rows. So what is R2? R2 is R2 minus 2R1. So what I'm going to do, 2 minus 2 is 0. And next 1. 1 minus 2 twos are 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Next 1. 1 minus 6. 1 ones are 1 minus 3 twos are 6. That is minus 5. Next minus 1 minus 2 twos are 4. Minus 1 minus 4 will be minus 5. So next what we are going to do, we are going to check for R3. R3 is R3 plus R1, right? Minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 2 is 4. Next we have to do for R4. R4 is R4 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So as I earlier said, the upper triangle should be zeros and these all have to be turned as zeros. So here we got 0, 0, 0. Again what we have to do, we have to get 0 over here and here. So I'm going to perform row operations again. Now we have to perform row operations using R3 and R4. We have to perform for R3, R4 using R2. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to write as R3 tends to R4 tends to. So what is R3 over here? So 5. And here R2 is 3. So if we multiply 3 into 5 and 5 into 3, we'll be getting 15. 15 minus 15 will be 0, right? So R3 is 3R3 plus 5R2. Because 5 3s are 15, 3 5s are 15. Again next, 2. Here we have to multiply with 3 and 2. So 3R4 next plus 2R2. So if I'm doing any mistake, you can also tell me. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to write row 1 and row 2 as it is. Because we have performed row operations for R3 and R4, right? So first and second row should be written as it is. 0, minus 3, minus 5 and minus 5. So next 0, 0. So what is here? 7. 7 3s are 21 minus 5 5s are 25. So 21 minus 25 is minus 4. Next 3R3. That is 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 5 5s are 25. 12 minus 25 is minus 13. So next we have to do for row 4. That is 0, 0. Next 3R4. That is 3 2s are 6 minus 5 2s are 10. 6 minus 10 is minus 4. Again next 3R4. This is 1, right? So 3 ones are 3 plus 3 ones are 3 minus 5 twos are 10. 3 minus 10 is minus 7. So this is the matrix we got. So we have to turn this as 0. As I said, principal diagonal element should be 1 or more than 1. Remaining all elements should be 0. So what I have to do now? I have to convert these terms also as 0 because this is a normal form. So what I'm going to do now? I'm going to perform row operations for row 4 using R3. That is row 4 is easy, right? Row 4 minus row 3. So the matrix will be, we have to write first second row as it is. That is 1, 2, 3, 2, 0, minus 3, minus 5, minus 5, 0, 0, minus 4, minus 13, 0, 0, R4 minus 0. Next, R4 is minus 7, right? Minus into minus plus. Minus 7 plus 13 is 6. Alright? We'll be getting plus 6 because here we are having plus symbol to the biggest number. So now, so the matrix is 1, 2, 3, 2, 0, minus 3, minus 5, minus 5, 0, 0, minus 4, minus 13, 0, 0, 0, 6. So here the upper triangle is 0. Now what we have to do? We have to convert 2, 3, 2, minus 5, minus 5 and minus 3. These terms as 0. So what I have to do now? We have to perform column operations. So column operations has to perform for column 2, column 3, column 4 and column 5. So column operations we have to do. So Here C2 is 2, right? C1 is 1. So if we multiply with 2, we'll be getting 2 minus 2, 0. So C2 minus 2C1. Next, so 1 3s are 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So C3 minus 3C1. Next, so we have to do for only for 4 columns because we are having only 4 columns. So next, 2. So C4 minus 2C1. So now the matrix is, so first column should be written as it is 1 0 0 0, and again 2 minus 2 is 0. So we are going to get all this as zeros. So when we clearly observe minus 3, right? Minus 3 minus 0, that is minus 3. So next, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0. So 0 and 0. Next, so 3 minus, we have already written 0, right? So minus 5 minus 3 into 0, 0. Here we'll be getting minus 5, 0, and no, not 0, minus 4 and 0. Now what we are going to get? So minus 5 minus 2 zeros are 0. Minus 5 minus 5 minus 13 and 6. So 4 by 4 matrix, what the use of solving this? No, actually, this is a normal form. I have taken the question as reduce the matrix to normal form. So to find the rank of matrix, we are using a normal form over here. You'll be getting this type of questions in the examinations. First, in this, the first step is we are reducing the matrix to 4 by 4 matrix. And then after reducing, we are going to find the rank of matrix. We can do for 3 by 5 matrix, 3 by 4 matrix, 3 by 3, 3 by 2. We can do for anything. So I have already uploaded videos of 3 by 4 matrix, normal form and echelon form also. You can check in that. This type of questions will be asked in the examinations. Mr. Mike Hunt, I guess. So we got 1 0 0 0 0 minus 3 minus 5 minus 5 0 0 minus this is minus 4 minus 13 0 0 0 6. So we got the matrix like this. So now what we are going to do is we have to perform column operations for C3 and C4 using C2. So now C3 and C4. So minus 5 into 3 into 3. So 3C3 minus 5C2, and again same 3C4 minus 5C2. After this, the equation will be turned as, we have to write the first row and first column and second column as it is. So the matrix will be turned as, so what is the first row and first column? And 1 triple 0 0 minus 3 0 0. So 1 triple 0 0 minus 3 0 0. So next is 0, minus 5, minus 4, 0, right? So we have performed column operations, right? Here, minus 15 minus into minus plus 15 will be 0. So we have to write 0, 0, 0, 0, and this one will also be 0, 0. So next, so here minus 4. See, there is minus 4 into 3 is minus 12. Minus 0 is minus 12. And here we'll be getting 0. Next one is here minus 20, 13. 13 threes are 39. Minus 39. And again the last one will be 6. So 6 threes are 18. So now we have to perform the column operations for C3 and C4. So when you clearly observe 12 over here and 13, 13 over here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify this matrix. So we are already having 1 over here, right? No need of doing this. C2 tends to column 2 by minus 3. C3 tends to column 3 is C3 by minus 12. So C4 is here 18 will not get 18, 18 to is a 36. So it is different. So what we are going to do is, so C3 by minus 3. So if we do that, 12 threes are 13, so 13 threes are 39 and 3 6 are 18. The matrix will be now 1 0 0 0 0 minus 3 0 0. So here we'll be getting plus 1. So 0 0 1 0 0 0 and again 13 3 is a 39 minus 6 will be getting. 34 and 90. Oh, I didn't get you 34 90. Where we'll be getting 34 90? Can you please explain? Right. 34 90 50. So now we have to do column operations for C3 and C4 using C3. C4 is C4 minus 13 C3. So this will be 1 triple 0 0 1 0 0 So 0, 0, 1, 0. 13 minus 13 will be 0, right? So 0, 0, 0 minus 6. So once when we clearly observe that the principal diagonal elements are 1 or more than 1. Now upper triangle is 0 and here we got zeros. So now the matrix reduced to it reduced to normal form. So next step, what is the next step? We have to find the rank of matrix. So what will be the rank of matrix? That is number of non-zero rows in a matrix. That is equals to number of non-zero rows are 1, 2, 3, 4. So rank of matrix will be 4. This will be the answer. So, so this will the process to find the rank of matrix using a normal form. So if you are having any questions, you can ask me in the chat session. I'll be answering. So Mohammed, you wrote something 34, 90 and 50. I don't understand what you're trying to ask. Can you please expand the question? If anyone are having any questions, you can ask me. I'll be answering. So now I'm going to explain how to find the eigenvalue sums. This will be used in the GATE exam, a competitive examination. This type of questions you will be getting in the GATE exams. So I'll be explaining you. Yes. So these are the eigenvalue sums which will be asked in the GATE examination. This type of questions will be asked in the competitive examinations. Uh, these type of questions were already asked in the previous papers. So you will be getting these type of questions, but values will be different. So uh, I'll be telling you some tricks to find the eigenvalue sums in the exams. So for finding the eigenvalue sums, we have to remember three properties. There'll be three properties which we have to remember. If you remember that thing, so you will be easily you can easily do the eigenvalue sums in the competitive examinations. So I'll be explaining you what are the three properties of eigenvalues. If you remember these three properties, it will be very helpful for you in the to write in the competitive exams. So let's get started. What are the three properties of eigenvalue? So the three properties of eigenvalues are sum of eigenvalues equals to trace of matrix. So what is the first property? Sum of eigenvalues equals to trace of matrix. So these type of questions you will be getting in the competitive examinations. So what is the trace of matrix? We already know. Suppose let me take a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a matrix. So what is the first property over here? Sum of eigenvalues equals to trace of matrix. So here the diagonal elements, the addition of the diagonal elements is trace of matrix, right? 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So here sum of eigenvalues equals to trace of matrix, that is 15, because trace of the matrix is 15 over here. Next, product of eigenvalues equals to determinant of matrix. What is the determinant matrix over here? That is the product of eigenvalues of matrix. So this is a second property. Third property is, so in for the real matrix, if alpha plus beta is an eigenvalue, let us suppose there is a real matrix. In that, alpha plus beta, I beta is a eigenvalue. Then alpha minus I beta is also an eigenvalue. So you have to remember these three properties. This will be used for you in the competitive examinations. So I'll be telling you the some questions also based on these properties. So here, the minimum and the maximum eigenvalues of matrix are 1, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 11, 11. So what is the eigenvalues over here? Minus 2, 6. What is the other value? So they have given two eigenvalues. We have to find out the third eigenvalue. So what I've taken minus 2, 6. The third, let us suppose third eigenvalue is lambda. So here in the first property, as I said previously, sum of eigenvalues equals to trace of matrix. So what is the trace of matrix over here? 5 plus 1 plus 1. So addition of diagonal elements is a trace of matrix, right? 5 plus 1 is 7. So they have given us two eigenvalues. We have to find the third one. So what I'm going to do is minus 2 plus 6 plus lambda equals to 7. So here minus 2 plus 6 is 4. 4 plus lambda equals to 7. Lambda equals to 7 minus 4. Lambda equals to 3. So we'll be getting the value as 3. This is the answer for this question. If you clearly observe, this question is related to the first property. Sum of eigenvalues equals to the trace of matrix. This is the question asked in the GATE examination last year, competitive exams. So next, we have done with the first one, right? The second one. So suppose eigenvalues of a matrix are 1, 3, 6. The determinant of A inverse transpose is what? Suppose the eigenvalues of matrix are given as 1, 3, 6, right? So we have to find the determinant over here. So we already know that A inverse determinant of A inverse transpose equals to A inverse or transpose. So A inverse can be written as 1 by mod A. This is a property. A inverse equals to 1 by mod A. So determinant. So here product of eigenvalues equals to determinant of matrix. This is a second property. So what are the eigenvalues? Eigenvalues of 1, 3, 6. We have to multiply 3 eigenvalues to get the determinant of matrix. 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 6 is 18. So A inverse transpose is 18. This will be the answer. This is the second property we have used. Product of eigenvalue equals to determinant of a matrix. So these are the two questions of the eigenvalues. If you're having any questions, you can ask me. I'll be answering you. So Aditya score actually I've not written. Just I'll be doing a videos on the mathematics. So I was referring GATE paper last year. So I saw the question. I thought of doing a video on that to explain. If anyone are having any question, you can ask me. I'll be explaining you. And please subscribe to my channel PLS Mathematics. If you're having any questions, you can ask me. I hope you people are doing good. Within 5 minutes, we'll end our live session here. If anyone are having any questions, you can ask me. Please subscribe to my channel, PLS Mathematics. So in the today's live session, we have covered how to find the rank of 4 by 4 matrix. So first we have to reduce it to normal form and then we have to find the rank of matrix. Now we have done eigenvalue sums which are repeated in the competitive examinations like GATE. If you're having any questions, you can ask me in the chat session. I'm ready to answer. And if you want a video on any other topics also, you can write in the chat session. Definitely, I'll be doing a video on that. So if you're having any questions, ask me in the chat session. कौन से भी टॉपिक्स में अगर आपको वीडियो चाहिए तो मैथ्स के रिलेटेड आप चैट सेशन में लिखिएगा, मैं आपको ज़रूर वीडियो बनाऊंगी वो टॉपिक के ऊपर. You can mention any topic of class 6, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, intermediate, first year, second year, and BTech also. So we'll end our live session over here. Thank you so much for everyone who have joined my live. Thank you. So if any, we'll wait for 4 more minutes and then we'll end our live session. Hi Naveen. Hope you're doing good, Naveen. Naveen, I'm from Hyderabad. People who are watching my live, please subscribe to my channel PLS Mathematics. I'm uploading a mathematics videos till BTech and also uploading the important questions which were asked in the competitive examinations. Yes, Naveen. So if anyone are having any topics, write down in the chat session. We'll do a video tomorrow. I'll be doing a video tomorrow on that topic, mathematics. सो नवीन आप मतलब कौन सा ईयर का बैकलॉग है मैथ्स का बीटेक अब बीटेक कौन से ईयर में पढ़ रहे हैं नवीन ताकि आई कैन हेल्प यू ओके बीएससी सो डू डू वन थिंग मुझे आपका जो टॉपिक्स है मैथमेटिक्स का उसके रिलेटेड कुछ टॉपिक्स मुझे सेंड कीजिएगा मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि आपको वीडियोस बना उसका जस्ट एक बार मुझे टॉपिक सेंड कीजिएगा मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि वीडियो बनाए जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस है इसके ऊपर ताकि आपको हेल्पफुल रहे एग्ज़ाम क्लियर करने के लिए डेफिनेटली आई विल बी डूइंग अ वीडियो सो इफ़ यू व्यू माई चैनल वहाँ पे मेरा इंस्टाग्राम आईडी है वहाँ आप मुझे आपका टॉपिक्स जो है सिलेबस सेंड कर सकते हैं मैं ज़रूर आपको हेल्प करूँगी सेवन और फर्स्ट सेम और थर्ड सेम के मैथ्स क्लियर करने के लिए जस्ट मुझे टॉपिक सेंड कीजिएगा सो नहीं तो आप एक काम कीजिएगा आपके ये चैट पे थोड़े टॉपिक्स मेंशन कीजिएगा मुझे ताकि मैं आपको हेल्प कर सकूँ मैं अभी लिख लूँगी टॉपिक जो आप सेंड करते हैं मैं उसके ऊपर वीडियो बनाऊँगी मैं प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन का भी रेफर करके उसके रिलेटेड भी आपको वीडियोस बना के दूँगी मे बी इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू क्लियर द एग्ज़ाम नवीन मैट्रिसेस में फाइंड आउट द नॉर्मल फॉर्म मैंने ऑलरेडी ये वीडियो अपलोड किया है, आप एक बार चेक कर सकते हैं। शायद मैंने तेलुगु में अपडेट किया है, तेलुगु में अपलोड किया है यूट्यूब में। जो क्वेश्चन है मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि इंग्लिश और हिंदी में अपलोड करूँ। अगर आपको तेलुगु समझ में आए तो आप मेरे चैनल में चेकआउट कर सकते हैं, उसमें नॉर्मल फॉर्म का सम है। अगर आप हिंदी और इंग्लिश सकते हैं तो मैं कोशिश करूँगी और एक सम करूँ नॉर्मल फॉर्म में और अपलोड करूँ। So I'll write down the topics. So I'll do a video on that. ओके, मैं एक वीडियो अपलोड करूँगी, उसमें आई बी एक्सप्लेनिंग इन इंग्लिश ऑन हिंदी। इज़ इट ओके? Okay. In the matrix, you find out the normal form. ओके, और थोड़े टॉपिक्स बोलिएगा, मैं वीडियो करके अपलोड करूँगी। टुमारो आई विल डू दिस, आई विल अपलोड द normal form max matrices one. Differentiations in polar coordinates. Okay. Okay, Navin, I'll be doing a video on this. If anyone are having other questions also, you can write down in the chat session. Okay, successive differentiation. Differential calculus. Okay. ओके नवीन, आपने जो टॉपिक्स बताए मुझे उसके ऊपर मैं ज़रूर वीडियो करूँगी। मैं एक बार प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन एक बार रेफर करके उसके अकॉर्डिंग मैं आपको वीडियोस बना के दूँगी, अपलोड करूँगी। इट विल बी हेल्पफुल टू यू। I'll refer the previous question papers and ones, and I'll check what are the important questions which will be asked. Definitely, I'll be doing a video on these topics. So if anyone are having other questions, you can ask me. Within 4 minutes, we'll end our live session here. Don't forget to subscribe my channel PLS Mathematics. No issues, Navin. Thank you. If anyone are having other questions, you can write down in the chat session. I'll be answering. आप कॉम्पिटिटिव मैथ्स क्लास पढ़ाती हो? हाँ नवीन, मैंने ऑलरेडी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम के रिलेटेड कॉम्पिटिटिव मतलब आपका मतलब है कि कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम के लिए या एक बार क्वेश्चन फिर से पूछिए ना। कॉम्पिटिटिव एक मैथमेटिक्स एक सब्जेक्ट बोल रहे हैं, नहीं तो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम के लिए बोल रहे हैं? आप एक बार फिर से मेंशन कीजिएगा। If anyone are having any questions, you can ask me in the chat session. Okay, okay, Navin, now I understood. Hi Anshuman. नवीन, मैंने कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम के रिलेटेड भी अपलोड किया है मैंने चैनल में, आप चेक कर सकते हैं। आपको कुछ भी क्वेश्चंस है तो आप चैट बॉक्स में मेंशन कर सकते हैं, डेफिनेटली आई विल बी आंसरिंग। अगर आपको कोई टॉपिक के ऊपर वीडियो चाहिए मैथमेटिक्स के रिलेटेड तो मुझे चैट सेशन में लिखिएगा, एंड इवन प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल PLS Mathematics. Thank you so much, Anshuman ji. Thank you. If anyone are having any other questions, you can ask. मैं एग्रीकल्चर स्टूडेंट हूँ, लेकिन मुझे मैथमेटिक्स में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है। मैं से आपका रेगुलर लाइव सेशन ज्वाइन करूँगा। थैंक यू सो मच अंशुमन जी, थैंक यू। थैंक यू। Thank you, Anshuman ji. It means a lot. If anyone are having any questions, you can ask. Within 6 minutes, we'll end our live session. Tomorrow's live time, I'll be updating in my community community post. You can see that over there. Tomorrow we'll pick a different topic and we'll solve in live only. कल के लिए एक टॉपिक सजेस्ट कीजिएगा मुझे, उसी टॉपिक के ऊपर कल अपन डिस्कस करेंगे लाइव में, मैथ्स का टॉपिक। और क्वेश्चंस कर रही है। ओके, आप मुझे एक टॉपिक दीजिएगा, उसके ऊपर अपन डिस्कस करेंगे, विल डिस्कस। और एल्स I'll do one thing, I'll explain you the square tricks if you're okay. स्क्वेयर्स के ट्रिक्स मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी। सो okay, Naveen, ordinary differential equations will also do that. सो मैं आपको 91 से लेकर 91 टू 99 तक, सो I'll help you how to find the square of 94 will do. So 94 के स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए फर्स्ट वी हैव टू subtract 100 with 94. So we'll be getting 6, right? Do the square of 6. 6 6 the 36. Okay. So 6 6 the 36, right? फिर से क्या करना है अपन को, 94 में से 6. So what will be getting, 88. So square root of 94 is 8836. So we can also check here, 94 into 94, 37, 8836। अगर आप चेक कर रहे हैं तो 94 इंटू 94 अपन को क्या आया 8836। सो व्हाट वी गॉट हियर 8836। दिस इज द स्क्वायर of 94. This is an easy process to find the square of 94. So once we'll do with 95. So 95 square is easy. 5 square is 25. After 9 we'll be getting 10. 10 nines are 90. 9025. ओके नवीन आप एक काम कीजिएगा मेरे कौन से किसी भी वीडियो के ऊपर कमेंट में पूरे टॉपिक्स एक जगह पे लिख दीजिएगा। मैं एक बार चेक करूँगी। नहीं तो मैंने कम्युनिटी पोस्ट किया है ना पिछला वाला एक पोस्ट के ऊपर नीचे आप पूरे टॉपिक्स मुझे एक बार कमेंट सेशन में लिख दीजिएगा ताकि मैं पूरा इसके रिलेटेड वीडियोस बना सकूं। कम्युनिटी पोस्ट नहीं तो मुझे मेरे कौन से भी वीडियो के नीचे आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं। मैं पूरा एक ही साथ रहता है ना पूरा जो टॉपिक्स है मैं आप पूरा कवर कर दूंगी। ओके नवीन। So this is the tricks for finding 94 and 95 square. So let us take a simple one. We'll take 53. Yeah, 53 square. What we are going to do now? 53 square. ओके अंशुमन जी थैंक यू। मैं अब से वैसे ही करूँगी। या अभी से मैं वैसे ही करूँगी। हॉरिजॉन्टल में बना के वीडियोस अपलोड करूँगी। थैंक यू सो मच। सो 53 राइट। 5 square is 25, 3 square is 09. So into 5 3 is a 15, 15 2 is a 30. This is 9082. 2809 is the 53 square. So these are the small tricks to find the squares. Any more questions you can ask? We'll end our live session within 2 minutes. नवीन आपने जो टॉपिक्स दिए हैं ना मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि कल के लाइव वीडियो में आपके टॉपिक्स के ऊपर डिस्कस कर सकूँ क्वेश्चंस के लिए। सो मैं कम्युनिटी पोस्ट में अपडेट करूँगी कि लाइव कितने बजे आऊँगी मैं। You can check from there. So we'll do some of the topics which were mentioned by in the live. लाइव में अपन सॉल्व करेंगे। मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूँगी। We can do that if it is okay. I'll update tomorrow's live time in the channel. If you want, you people can join. Thank you so much, guys, who have joined my live. Thank you. I'm ending the live session here. Thank you. అమ్మా చాలా సజెషన్